Hi, and welcome to the MySG Prop podcast, your weekly dose of smart property investing and insights from Singapore to the region. I am your host, Rainey, and with me today, as always, is the insightful CS.
Thanks, Rainey. It's great to be back. And a very warm welcome to all our listeners joining us on this 22nd of December, 2025.
Wow, can you believe it's almost the end of the year already? Time really flies. And speaking of time, today's episode is quite time-sensitive, as it's our weekly market update, diving deep into the market pulse. We'll be discussing the latest trends, statistics, and some interesting research from the past week.
That's right. We've got some really hot news to kick things off from the week of December 15th to 21st. Let's jump straight into it with some big headlines.
Oh, I'm already excited. What's the first one? I always love hearing about the big consortiums.
Well, this one involves two familiar names. The CapitaLand and UOL consortium has put in the top bid for a mega project in Hougang. We're looking at a staggering $1,179 per square foot per plot ratio.
$1,179 per square foot per plot ratio? That sounds like a hefty sum for a bid, right? What does this mean for potential buyers in Hougang?
Exactly. It's a significant bid, showing strong confidence from these developers. And what's even more noteworthy is the expected future launch prices. We're looking at around $2,600 per square foot, or even higher for this project.
$2,600 per square foot? Wow, that's quite a jump. It really shows how much the market values these prime locations, even in areas like Hougang. I guess this means more premium offerings coming our way.
Precisely. It signals a strong demand and a certain level of pricing resilience in the market for well-located quality projects by reputable developers.
Moving on to another head-turner, I heard about a Bidadari 4-room HDB unit that just made headlines.
Ah, yes, the Bidadari 4-room HDB flat. It sold for an incredible $1.32 million, which works out to $1,264 per square foot. This is actually a new record high in the Toa Payoh precinct.
$1.32 million for a 4-room HDB? That is just mind-blowing. And a record in Toa Payoh, a mature estate. What do you think is driving such prices in Bidadari? Is it the location, the amenities, or just the overall HDB resale market heat?
It's likely a combination of factors, Rainey. Bidadari has been a highly sought-after estate, known for its well-planned amenities, green spaces, and excellent connectivity. Plus, the overall HDB resale market has been robust, with buyers willing to pay a premium for desirable locations and well-maintained units. This transaction really underscores the continued demand for quality HDB homes.
It certainly does. And speaking of markets on the rise, what's the outlook for the commercial sector? I've been hearing whispers about CBD office rents.
Good question. We're expecting CBD Grade A office rents to climb by about 4 to 7% next year. This projection comes amidst a tight supply environment and a recovering demand for prime office spaces.
4 to 7%? That's quite a healthy increase. So is it mostly just about limited space? Or are businesses genuinely picking up their office presence again?
It's definitely both. The supply of new, high-quality Grade A office space in the CBD remains constrained, and simultaneously, we're seeing a steady recovery in demand as businesses continue to expand or upgrade their premises. Hybrid work models have stabilized, and many companies still see value in a central, premium office location.
That makes sense. It's always a good sign when the commercial sector is buzzing. Now, switching gears a bit, what about some new launch promotions for those who are looking to buy?
Absolutely. For those keen on new launches, we have a few interesting promotions this week. First up, we have 10 Evelyn at Newton, a freehold, move-in ready property.
Oh, Newton and freehold. That's already a winning combination. What's the deal there?
It's being offered from only $1,859 per square foot, or $1.518 million. This is actually a significant markdown from its usual price of $1.65 million, so a really good opportunity there.
Wow, a great price point for freehold in Newton, and move-in ready, no less. That's fantastic. What else is on offer?
Next, Springleaf Residence is offering a fantastic discount of up to $38,888. For a 3-bedroom unit, prices start from $2.65 million.
$38,888 in discounts. That's a very auspicious number. And a 3-bedroom from $2.65 million sounds like a solid option for families looking for more space.
Indeed. And for those prioritizing location and proximity to good schools, we have Ocho, a freehold property near Dakota MRT. It's also within 1 kilometer of both Kong Hwa Primary and Geylang Methodist Primary.
Proximity to reputable primary schools is a huge plus for many parents. What are the prices like for Ocho?
Prices for Ocho start from $1.48 million, which translates to $1,813 per square foot. Freehold, near an MRT, and great schools. It ticks a lot of boxes.
That's a very attractive proposition for families. Now, moving away from new launches, what about the resale market this week? Any gems to highlight?
We do have a lovely resale property showcase. It's a freehold unit at Park Infinia at Wee Nam, also in the Newton area.
Oh, another Newton gem. Tell me more.
It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, spanning 893 square feet. It's fully furnished and is going for $2.45 million. It's an excellent option for someone looking for immediate occupancy in a prime location.
Fully furnished in Newton? That's super convenient for buyers. And for our listeners who might be looking to buy, sell, or rent any resale property, you can always contact us for assistance.
Absolutely. Our team is always ready to help navigate the resale market.
And for the adventurous investors among us, what's cooking in the overseas property investment scene? I heard something about Phuket.
Yes, we have a fantastic opportunity to invest in the Laguna Phuket portfolio of properties by the Banyan Tree Group. These start from only around 100,000 Singapore dollars.
100,000 Singapore dollars for a banyan tree property in Phuket? That sounds like an incredible entry point for overseas investment, especially with such a renowned group.
It certainly is. It opens up a world of possibilities for those looking to diversify their portfolio with a reputable brand in a popular holiday destination.
Wow, what a week of updates. From mega project bids and record-breaking HDB sales to rising office rents, and exciting new launch and overseas investment opportunities. It really shows how dynamic our property market is.
Indeed, Rainey, the market continues to present interesting movements and opportunities for both buyers and investors, domestically and internationally.
That's all for today's podcast from My SG Prop. I hope you picked up something useful for your next property move. Don't forget to follow or share this episode with someone who's into real estate too.
More insights and new launch updates await you at mysgprop.com. Catch you next time.